Timing questions come up a lot in car sales, especially when customers aren't 100% sure. And one you've probably heard is, "I think I'll just wait until next year." Instead of pushing back, use this as a moment to build trust and offer clarity. Let AI help you respond in a way that's thoughtful and effective. Open a new chat and try this prompt. Act as a professional sales coach. A customer says they want to wait until next year. Help me respond with empathy while showing why acting now might be smarter. In seconds, AI will offer responses that validate the customer's hesitation while highlighting current advantages, like vehicle availability, pricing, or changing market conditions. Give the prompt a go and review what it produces.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars. With a friend so smart, close at hand, selling dreams across the land.